Hi, today we'll be making Pakistani style tea, and well, these are our ingredients for today, and let's get started. Great. So first we're gonna start off with our 1 cup water. Gotta go in, and now we let our water boil for it. So now the water is boiling, so we're gonna put our first ingredients in, which will be 2, or if you want, you can put 3 ounces of cardamom. And we've done that. Now let it do a little, and then we add our next ingredient, a big spoonful of tea. Now we let it go around a bit, and yeah, once it does that, this is actually not really part of the recipe, just a little ingredient I was taught by my mom to put a pinch of salt. It helps it give a little more flavor. And yeah, so now that we've started, let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes. We've done that. Now we're adding our final ingredient, which will be a cup of milk. Done that. Now you might want to make sure you don't boil your tea before you put the milk in too much, or else it will become black, and we don't want that. So the minute it starts looking like reddish, you can start putting the milk in, but don't put too much, or else your tea will become too wet. So yeah, as you can see, after 2 or 3 boils, your tea, once it gets that good reddish, brownish look, it's ready, and you can begin pouring into. So now we're done. You can enjoy this tea now with your options. You can have biscuits with it. They're really good with biscuits like these. And also you can put sugar in to make it more sweet. Some people tend not to, but others do. So I'm going to. Normally it's preferred to put 1 or 2 teaspoons in there. And yeah, enjoy.